been a minute since I posted a video because I'm actually convinced that my filming room is haunted. So I wanted to do this look last week. What happened was one of the lights that I spent a lot of money on just burned and smoke started coming out of it. I unplugged it right away and put it away. And I thought, okay, equipment malfunctions. And then I tried filming the same look twice, and every time there is some kind of technical problem. I don't know if mercury is in Gatorade, and I'm not complaining to y'all, I'm complaining to the demons haunting my filming room. I'm just gonna sage this room a little. I don't want to burn anything in here, so this is a sage spray. Okay, now we can proceed. I'm just gonna prime my face real quick. Part of the reason why I want to do this look so bad, and I'm willing to do it 4 times, is because there's so many new releases and so many companies have been sending me PR, and I found so many things that I've been loving, and I just want to show you guys. I haven't done a makeup video in a while, and I don't really do favorites anymore. If you want me to bring them back, let me know in the comments, but I just want to show you everything I've been loving in one big makeup look. So Too Faced is the foundation we're using today. I love this foundation. I actually haven't tried this until this year. I've been really into hydrating, high coverage foundations. And you know I really like the Fenty one, but I feel like if I use it one more time, people will lose their minds. For concealer, I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I ordered it as soon as it came out, but shipping took a bit of time. It's hard to find a hydrating concealer that also has very high coverage. The only thing is it sets itself really fast, so you gotta blend as you go or it starts to look crusty. By the way, if you're this deep into my video and you're not subscribed, you should really do that, because I just figured out how to check how many of y'all actually are subscribed to me, and it's something like 25%, so y'all better do it. Okay, to set my face, I'm using the Morphe Bake Set Setting Powder in Translucent. I saw Nikita Dragon use this on her story, and we obviously don't have the same makeup style, but I've been wanting to try a new translucent powder, and y'all know I have been loyal to the RCMA No Color Powder for years, and this is like the only thing that I'm reaching for other than that one. Everything else I would try it once or twice, but this I actually trust, and it's really inexpensive too for how much product you're getting. Oh, and I'm applying this with this ColourPop F18 brush. Amazing powder amazing powder brush. I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring with ColourPop's Coconut Beach. Their entire coconut collection is so cute. It doesn't take much product, so you gotta be a little careful with it, but it blends in really well. Like, it's not chalky or anything. It's like my biggest pet peeve. Right now I'm filming in a tiny room so you can get a clean white backdrop, because I don't want like stuff in the background to distract y'all from the colors or for it to show up weird on camera. I feel like a white background is just the best for beauty videos, but then again, y'all are the viewers, so you let me know what you think. I call this my filming room, but it's basically just a glorified closet. If you would rather I film in my living room, I would love to do that. Oh, also let me know if you want me to introduce you to my 2 pet snakes. They've been living here a while now. They're all settled down. They're not actually mine, like I said. They just live with me. It's a complicated situation. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna leave my brows like that for now, and then we're gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna curl my lashes first because I had a lash lift a couple weeks ago, and now they're almost completely grown up, but there's still a couple that just sticks up and makes it so hard to stick lashes on, so this just makes it easier. I really wanted to do this look to show you guys this palette. This is the palette. It's called Flutter by. This is probably what I'm gonna call the look, and if you can't tell, your girl loves butterflies. So I'm gonna pick up Made to Last, and I'm just applying this all over the eyes. And I'm pulling this out into a big wing all the way to the temples, and then I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm picking up Wild Wing, placing this into the crease and then pulling it out as well, and then I'm picking up Changes. That's actually the shade name, and again in the crease. I'm basically just going to lightest to darkest to create an ombre effect, and I want to darken the wing as well because later we're going to add a glitter. So I want to make sure it's dark enough for that contrast so the glitter really pops. Next I'm going to use the Jelly Much shadows, which I really think are the star of the collection. First of all, they're so cute and visually packaged, and they're so easy to use. If you're new to glitter, I think especially the shade Bouquet is just such a beautiful color. This is what it looks like inside. So how I use it is I pick up about this much, I warm it up in my hands first, and then I apply it all over the lids. And you just wing it out. And then before going into eyeliner, I just want to wait for them to completely dry. They're probably already dry, but I don't want to take any chances and have to refilm the whole thing again. I'm just going to sage one more time. So I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm actually going to use the NARS Orgasm Blush. Don't judge me. I get a lot of PR, but I don't want to waste makeup. This is still really good. This works, okay? I'm actually going to use the Morphe eyeliner in Richie. This has been so good. I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line and then thicken the end. And the reason why I do my eyeliner like that is just because of my eye shape. My double eyelid is way thinner on the inside compared to like the outside, so I try to even that out with eyeliner. And then I'm pulling the eyeliner out with an angled brush. This is basically how I always do winged liner. I just like a really soft wing that fades into nothing. And this is how you do it. Putting on eyeliner is always a high stress situation. Next, I'm going to put on some lashes. So I cut this in half because I'm only applying half a lash. And that is going to convince every man that these lashes grew out of your eye. But that's not really why I do it. I do it because it suits my eye shape, especially when you're doing a little bit more of a detailed eye look. It makes no sense to hide your entire eye with a really thick lash. So I like to add a little bit of drama and a little bit of flair. I still want them to look relatively natural. And once they're completely dry, I will carefully, very carefully, curl my lashes. You see how they still look pretty natural? I'm gonna take the mascara and just apply it on this half of the lash, aka my real lashes, to make them bigger so it would match the other half, basically just to blend them together. And that's gonna give you a messy, wispy look. And then I'm just doing my bottom lashes as well. Something I've been doing a lot lately is using a fan brush. Almost done with the eye. I want to do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna use the Jelly Mud Shadow, also from the Butterfly Flutter by collection, in the shade Buttercup. This is not sponsored by ColourPop, by the way. I don't even have an affiliate code. So ColourPop, if you're watching, you know how to contact my people. This is so intense. Pretty. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna take a little bit more setting powder and just clean up right here. And I just want to brighten the brow bone a little. Okay, for the lips, I'm just going to dab some foundation on. And then I'm taking a lip liner, Subculture. And then I'm taking the Glossier Generation G in Light. And for the gloss, I'm using Mochi Mochi by M Cosmetics. Okay, going in with this palette, I'm just going to take Idle Hour as the highlight. And you don't have to do this, I just like to add a beauty mark. And this is the finished look. If you want to jazz this up even more, the version I did for Instagram, I had 2 crystals right underneath my eyes. I just use these tiny packets, a little bit of lash glue. Doop, boop. Easy. I think that's really pretty too, but you know, for just an everyday I woke up like this type of look, I love how it completely lifts my eye. So yeah, please let me know what you think about this look, and if you try this out, tag me anywhere at Sacheu so I can see it, except for Twitter, where I'm Chinese Britney because Sacheu was taken. But anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season, and I have a couple things I'm working on for 2020 that I'm so excited to tell you guys about. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.